Hello everyone. In this video we're going to teach you how to enter incognito mode on Google Chrome. Now, as you already probably know, we use incognito mode to basically use the same browser but not have any of the tracebacks on the browser itself. So whatever you search, whatever you look up, whatever you go to, it is anonymous. It won't register on your Chrome and it's completely safe. Your privacy is protected. Now, before, incognito mode actually used to be pretty simple and straightforward to get to. Now they've done it a little bit in a different way, but it's still easy. I'm going to show you. So when you open up your Chrome browser, what you need to do is, you see all this, you need to click here, and then you have new tab, new window, and new incognito window, because this is a window on its own, but it's not exactly incognito. So what we need is new incognito window, and we're going to click on it, and now we're in incognito mode. As you can see, how can you know we're in incognito mode? You've got a little bit of an icon there with the glasses and the hat and everything. That's how you're in incognito. And when I click on it, it says incognito. So this is how you know you're incognito. The background color changes up a little bit, and also you get this icon. That's how you know you're incognito. And as you can see, you can browse privately, and other people who use this device won't see your activity. However, downloads and bookmarks will be saved. So whatever you bookmark, it will be saved. Be mindful about that. Chrome won't save the following information: your browsing history, cookies and site data, information entered in forms. Your activity might still be visible to websites you visit, your employer or school, and your internet service provider. You also have an option to block third-party cookies if that's what you want. So whatever we enter right now, it's free, right? Nobody can see what I'm doing. Thanks for watching. If you found the video useful, like it and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comment section. And you can also check out these videos that you might find equally useful. I will see you later.